Invoice entry without purchase order. In this activity, you enter a supplier invoice without reference to a purchase order. Payment is made in local currency, or you can pay invoice in a foreign currency. So again, to Supplier Launchpad, then open create supplier invoice. Create supplier invoice. The manage supplier invoice view display. If the pop-up data from previous invoice entry exists dialog box display, choose no, continue. In the basic data section, enter the following data: transaction, invoice party, company code, gross invoice amount, currency, invoice date, posting date, and a reference. Okay, let's start together. Transaction, company code, gross invoice amount, posting date, reference. Okay, invoicing party. Okay, right. I go to GL account item. So in the GL account item section, choose add, make the following entries: debit, credit, debit, GL account, amount, item text. So add GL account, for example, this one. I define the amount 500, item text, test. I click on show detail. Choose show detail to expand the selection, and then make the following entries: the cost center, okay, any cost center, the tax code. For example, I select the tax code for France, for example, V0, to that there is no input VAT. And then I go to the cost center. I use a match code. If I want to select another one, cost center, I've got a list. This one. Okay, I click on enter. I click on check. Okay, invoice was successfully checked. That means everything is okay. So cost center, tax country region, that is good. If the general ledger account is tax relevant in the tax section, enter tax date and other mandatory field. Okay, but if we have clicked on check that everything is okay, we can go in the tax, for example, to display the information that everything is okay. In the payment term, okay, that is good also. And you can right now click on post. The success dialog box display showing the document number created. The supplier invoice number generated is a logistic document number. For example, this is a good point. You can sometimes have error message. That means the budget tolerance. We have defined the budget tolerance for the consultant. So I can change the budget, or I can change, okay, I change the cost center. Okay, profit center was sait. Okay, and I click on post again. Okay, right now I got my supplier invoice, logistic document, journal entry, account payable document. It's a financial document. That do you want to create a new supplier invoice? I click yes if I want to proceed, another one, and so on. You can also use, for example, central invoice management to avoid to enter manually all your supplier invoice. But this way show you how to proceed in SAP. Thank you so much.